Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma haringkat ke Jingdan DGP ke Jylla Dr. LR Bishnoi. Barki ofisar ke tanat ke kuat ke kya, barki Shipai mentah ke singi ke khatnyo terik unai weng arajar arpulai. Kilapan mi ya ke Jaka ban ajing sumari ke Shipai berim. Kibiju ai ke Jingshakri ya ke ri. Ya ke belatip kum ke ex-serviceman mobil poliklinik na Shillong Sharilum Garu. Kani kalong kum shibenta men kenti ke Jaka sumar. Nak benta ke Shipai kibiju ai ke Jingshakri nak benta ke ri. Kamtam gibadan Harilum Garu. Habakran na kani ke singi Menteri Rangba ula ke daw halor ke Jingshim ke Sorkar Jylla ya ke Jingkyrshan. Nak benta ke imlang ke saklang jong ke Shipai ke belasong tan. Haka ba ke Sorkar Jylla kan shim ya shibun ke Senjam Jingkyrshan bat man ai burom ke Shipai. Nak liang Menteri Rangba ula pen benaru bun ai ke Jingerap ke basan nak tingka. Syaki Shipai baru la ai ke Jingkular ban yarap iki haka nu ke por ke bagi dan kam.
Modified for the CSS and give reference to the employment hospitals anywhere in India.
So we'll discuss this more because what we're doing is that we are ultimately
Director ECHS
Okay.
work with Delhi.
That's right.
Make this happen. I'm coordinating with you.
Right.
Full hospital works. Like your panel.
Yes. Congratulate everybody and would like to thank everybody. This is a very, very important step, a small but important step. It's a message, I should say rather, of showing our gratitude and our thanksgiving to our armed forces for the contribution and the sacrifice that they make to protect each and every citizen of our country. And therefore, this is a very small step, but nonetheless a strong and a powerful message that we as a society and as a government and as a chief minister, we are there to always support you and be with you in every way that's possible. Meghalaya and Shillong specifically has always been a location where we have had a strong presence of the armed forces. And during the course of this years and the presence of the armed forces, we have faced challenges because of different kind of confusions and conflicts that were there in some ways. And but in the last many years, I have seen and noticed that we have seen a lot of collaboration now taking place between the civilians and the armed forces, and that's a very healthy trend. And this may be a very good occasion for me to stress on this aspect once again, that that as we move along through proper discussion, through proper activities where we work with the civilians and with the society at large and the armed forces together, we'll be able to really build up a very good environment and a good communication among the communities out here. And that, I think, has been happening, and that is happening, of course, because of the leadership within the armed forces that we have. And I must take this opportunity to thank all our the leaders, the Air Marshal, the Lieutenant General, and others who have been very proactive in this area and have ensured that we are able to create the right environment. At the end of the day, it is the country and it is our society and all of us that is right in front. The country is right in front and at the top of our agenda, and therefore we all, as members of the armed forces as well as the society, must work together to keep that agenda at the top of our agendas for all of us. So with these few words, I once again congratulate all of you. I thank each and every stakeholder who has made this program a success, and let me reiterate that this is the beginning of a small step towards many other things we would like to do. And once again, as I said, I would like to contribute 5 lakhs from my side, from the Chief Minister's special grant, and also assure you of all the support from the health department for any kind of further services that you may require. With these few words, once again wishing you all the very best, and may God bless each and every one of us.
Because it is singularly due to his vision and support that 101 area has been able to conceive and execute this project. It is personally a very satisfying feeling for me. As they say, to care for those who once cared for us is one of the highest honors. It is for this very reason that I give top priority to all veteran issues, and I am happy to say that I find willing support for the same from all of you present here today. In Meghalaya, the veteran health care was restricted to polyclinic at Shillong, Military Hospital Shillong, and one impaneled hospital at Woodland Hospital, also in Shillong. This year, we have already taken a giant stride in improving healthcare for the veterans of Meghalaya by the historic empanelment of Niggins. However, with all these facilities being limited to Shillong, a lot of ECHS beneficiaries, especially aged veterans residing in Garo Hills region, were facing hardship due to the compulsion to travel to Guwahati or at times to Shillong, even for minor ailments and surgeries or checkups. The need for expanding the reach of ECHS facility within Meghalaya was essential to bring in any tangible improvement for treatment of veterans in Meghalaya. Today marks the culmination of a journey that has become a reality only due to the wholehearted support of Shri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, as well as the efforts and guidance of Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Kalita, BVSM, UISM, ABSM, SM, VSM, GOCNC, Eastern Command. I would be amiss if I did not mention the passion of my late predecessor, late Lieutenant General K.C. Panchnathan, the noble soul due to whom this first of its kind facility has become a reality. Also, 51 Sub-Area and Regional Centre Guwahati as well as Central Organization Delhi have reason to be proud of today as we flag off the first ever mobile polyclinic to extend the reach of ECHS to the 5 western districts of Garo Hills. This mobile polyclinic will extend OPD treatment and enable referrals for treatment as well as supply medicines without the need to travel to Shillong. In addition to increasing frequency of trips to Tura, we also intend to impanel a good hospital in Tura in the near future. On behalf of all serving and veteran community of Meghalaya, I as GOC 101 area, take this opportunity to thank Shri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, personally for the immense support that he extended to this initiative of ours.